Okay, we are live and a very good evening to everyone, those who have joined. Nice to see you all. A very good evening and thanks a lot for joining to everyone, those who are watching me. How are you all, by the way? Good, doing good? Right. Hi, brother. Hope you are doing good. The stream has just now started, so I'm just waiting for a few more people to join and then we will roll out projects and all those things. So let me check. Okay, good evening. Hello, everyone. Good evening. Thanks a lot for joining. Good. Okay, good. Good evening. Sideshwari, thanks a lot for joining. And very important session because we are going to talk different kinds of things, what is needed for you to kickstart. I hope you guys have got different kinds of aspects to learn things. Yes, Sheikh Mubashir. Okay, great. Good to see you all. We will start the session in 1 minute. I'm just waiting for a few more people to join. Okay, great. Yes, I will take all of your queries. I'm super excited. So let me share my screen and let's kickstart this beautiful evening with some details. Like, what are you getting? I'm good, brother. Thanks a lot for asking. All right. Hi, all. Thanks a lot for joining the stream. Yes, Mohammed Shoaib, thanks a lot. Okay, that's sweet of you. So let's start this session. I would love to share some aspects, some insights to you. Like, what are the things that we will be covering, how the batch is going to be, what are the things that is important for you. So everything we will detailedly discuss, right? And people on LinkedIn, if you are watching me, can you give me a yes or something? Your confirmation or acknowledgement is also important, right? Those who are watching me on LinkedIn. So can you give me an acknowledgement with yes? I'm good, bhai. Thanks a lot for asking. Okay. So people on LinkedIn, if you are there, can you please acknowledge? Yes. People on LinkedIn, you are all silent. Okay. Okay, nice to see such an informative streaming. Great. Hi, looking for a job in product-based company, learn Linux Bash. Okay, we will definitely take some questions. Garg Cloth House, Ismail Patan, Abhay Chaudhary. Great. Divya Teja. Great, guys. Great. Thanks a lot for tuning in. So let me share my screen quickly. We will start. Only this session will be for 1 hour. So quickly we will I will tell you all the things and then we can go with the next things. Okay. So I'm going to share my screen quickly for you guys. Yes. Excited. I am also feeling great and excited with you also. Let me open my notepad for you guys. Okay. Right. So very important. So some of the things which I will write down for all the people, those who are watching me, especially the batch 12 enrolled people, those who are watching me. Very important. Please check like what are the things that we are going to tell. First of all, in batch 12, what are the things that you are going to get? I will just make a flow chart for you so that you can understand the things and then you can act accordingly in the website. This is for enroll students of batch 12, those who are watching me, right? Enroll batch 12 members. So please have an idea here. What are the things that I'll be discussing that will play an important role for your learnings, right? So first of all, you are going to get 14 projects, right, as promised in website. What are these projects? I will be discussing in next 5 minutes, right? I will discuss in next 5 minutes. I'm going to discuss like what are the projects, right? You're going to get 30 assignments close to, right? And every week you will see like minimum of 2 assignments and maximum as much as 5 you can see in any kind of week that we are following, right? The main intention of this assignment is once you learn theory, once you complete the hands-on, there are some challenges given to you as with respect to hands-on only which you have done. Okay, so this assignments will be very much helpful for you in streamlining your knowledge, in making you competent for real-time use cases which are asked in the interview. Okay, so I hope I am making it sense. If I am making you a sense of idea, please let me know what are your thoughts. Are you able to understand what I'm telling? Yes, it's for people, but if you want to enroll, you can use this link which I'm sharing right on the screen, right? And because next steps will be after enrollment steps, what are you going to get, right? So enroll here for batch 12. This is the link which I have shared. Shantanu, if I'm not wrong, are you the Shantanu who got laid off? If I'm not wrong, because I saw a post. I'm not sure is it with Shantanu Pandey or Shantanu Basu, but I have seen one LinkedIn post with name Shantanu, so I'm not sure. But yeah, those who are willing to join, you can please enroll here in batch 12, right? If you are interested, or else that's completely fine. Okay, I have shared you all the link. Maybe I can open my YouTube and pin for you guys so that you guys are aware what are the things that we are going to do in the. Yeah. So I've shared that here. Okay. Right. So all of you see here, 14 projects, whatever the theory and the hands-on I will do in the class for you, right? Theory and the hands-on, both I will be doing in the class. And whatever the assignments are there, you are going to do. Okay. So assignments you are going to do. If you are struck, then I am going to do. Okay. So minimum of 2 assignments, maximum it can go up to 5. Okay. Once the projects are completed, once the theory is completed, once the assignments are completed, the next steps are interview questions. Okay. So how you are going to get this interview questions is, this interview questions are divided into 4 phases. Now, those who have enrolled, it will be your responsibility to complete these interview questions. This interview questions will be divided into 4 phases. So if you see here, the phase wise division, I am going to write how this phase will be. The phase 1 caters for 0 to 3 years of experience. The phase 2 will be purely catered for 5. Phase 3 for 8 plus, and the phase 4 for 10 plus years of experience. In the phase 1 interview questions, you will get my Infosys, my, like all the service based company questions you are going to get in the phase 1. In the phase 2, you are going to get all the Walmart, Verizon, the product based company questions. In the phase 3, you are going to get little bit bigger product based companies which I have cracked, let's say Adobe, right? Rubrik, which pays very well for any DevOps and SRE engineer. And the phase 4 interview questions will be purely on the coding, which you can target for Microsoft, Amazon, right? And Atlassian, these kind of companies. Okay. Now, once the interview questions are done, you are going to get some guides. Now, these guides are SRE and DevOps guides, right? Which will be helping you in architecture diagram flow. Are you able to get me? Guys, are you able to get me? Everyone, those who are watching me, can you give me a yes? If you are watching me, can you give me a yes? If you are understanding things, what I'm telling? Yes. I'm laying the foundation for you so that you understand like what are the things that you are going to learn in the upcoming days. Are you guys understanding? Everyone? Yes. Deepika Sharma, Sudesh, Mukesh, Shantanu. Okay. Right. Bharat. What about others? Siddeshwari. Okay. Good. Right. Great. Okay. I'm able to understand, right? You are able to understand. So I'm able to understand that whatever I'm telling, you guys are understanding. Great. Right. So if you see here, once these guides are done, very important, what we will do is we will do your resume preparation. Okay. And finally, we will be doing the mock interviews. Okay. Now, in every of the aspect, very important is that you all should be attending all the sessions as live sessions. Okay. So your attendance will be tracked. Okay. Your certificates will be rolled out on the basis of the live session attendance. Your movement in the website will be tracked. So everything is kind of a tracking system we have, right? So I request those who have enrolled for batch 11, right, or going to enroll today, now in this live, you are going to make sure that you always attend the live sessions. That is our top priority, so that if you have any query, you can ask in the live, right? Yeah, that's important. Now, if you are clear with the map, I'm going to tell you the next aspects, that is your projects. Okay, very important. When you are talking about 14 projects, how these 14 projects are divided, that's very, very important. Now, how these are divided, I will be telling you. Please, if you are writing down notes, you are feel free to write down the notes, right? So I'm going to take a new page probably. Right. Yes. So please see here, all of you. If you are able to see in the website, right, you will see various kinds of tools are there, right? Maybe Azure, maybe Docker, maybe AWS, Terraform, Prometheus, JFrog, Jenkins, Linux, Jira, Visual Studio, Postman, 𝐼𝐵, Helm, MySQL, Node.js. For your information, Spring Boot also you are going to learn. 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐿, all these tools, how these tools are forming your, what you say, like the projects we will be discussing now. So all of your eyes on the screen. So very important, this entire projects are divided into multiple components, guys. Okay, so how these components are divided, I'll be telling you. So as I have always told, the very important aspect for a DevOps and SRE engineer starts with your Linux and then moves to CICD, then moves to Docker, right? Then moves to Kubernetes, then moves to SRE, then moves to cloud, right? Then moves to automation. Correct? Are you guys understanding? Yes. If you give me a yes, I'll be moving forward with the next steps. Like I will be telling you, yeah, these are the things which you should be aware. Divya, Shankarachari, Vijay. Yes, I'll be telling you, Zoldyck, how you can access your data from batch 12. So just wait for some time. Okay. By the end of the session, you will be able to understand. No issues. Okay. Right. So just 1 second, I'll get my water bottle. Okay. Right. Right. So you are understanding, right? Almost all this things which you are seeing are kind of the combinations in every company, right? Yes, non-IT is also included. I'll be telling that who are eligible and what are the things, but non-IT, IT, domain change, fresher, all are eligible, and I'm going to teach from basics to advanced. Okay. Now all of you see here, I have worked in different companies. Okay. For example, Infosys, Verizon, okay, Cognizant, different kinds of companies I have worked, and Walmart, right? And there are list of other companies also where I have worked. Now, if you understand in any company, this tech stack, whatever you have seen in the website, that is going to be constant. Okay, you take a cloud, it will be Azure or AWS or multi-cloud. You take containerization, it will be Docker or some other tool. If you take Terraform, it will be Terraform or CloudFormation. If you take build tool, it might be Maven or some other tool. If you take Jira, something else, ServiceNow or Jira. If you take Helm charts, probably Helm they are using, Visual Studio. So whatever we are doing, if you see my screen, if I'm opening the Visual Studio, right, where is VS Code? Okay. Okay, it's not there. Okay, it will be there in the applications. I will stop my screen share. Maybe I will show you in a little bit of time. Okay. Okay, it will be there in the applications because I have closed it. So once I tell you all these things, maybe we will see some to make you understand like how I teach and how I make you understand on different aspects. Okay. Now, these all tools, how I have designed is you will be connecting the dots with me. All of you see here. So let's say each project is forming a dot. Okay, each project is a dot. Now I will be making you to follow this dot. Okay, like all these dots are connected, and finally in the interview, with the help of this flow. You are going to write your own story. Are you able to understand? I will tell you the story also, right? So see, basically what happens, let's say a movie is going to get released or get prepared, right? Hero, heroine will be there and someone is directing the movie, correct? Now here you can assume I am the director. I have the script, I have the idea, I have the knowledge on how companies are asking, what you have to tell to the interviewer to clear the interview. And I'm having a vision that, okay, if you sit in the interview, if you tell confident, everything is going to work. Now you are going to execute as a hero in the interview and get that interview cleared or offer, right? That is how these dots are going to help you in storytelling. And this interview questions will make you real-time aspect. This assignments will help you in understanding deeper troubleshooting scenarios and rest all things. So tell me, if you are clear, you can give me a yes. All of you, if you are in the class, can you guys give me a yes if you are clear? Like, I have the vision, like for my batch 12, what is the expectation from my class, all right? If you are clear, can you give me a yes? Clear, everyone, right? Clear? No boss, okay? Yes, as your project is also there. Now I will discuss about the projects probably, okay? I'm going to discuss about the projects also. So right, so I'm just doing some things here, okay? Right, not this one, discard. Okay, great. So whatever we have discussed in terms of project design, implementation, right? And whatever the tools I have told you, whatever the data points I have given you, I hope that you are understanding all those things. And this is how the map is going to get created for you, as I have told you in the format, right? So definitely please check that. And now we will discuss on the projects. Now, very important, what are the 14 projects that you are going to cover? We are going to discuss now. Okay, so ready? Okay, great. So right, so this has been done, whatever I expected. Now let's jump on to the projects. Very, very important concept and aspect. So all of your eyes on the screen. Before I go into the project section, this is the batch 12 link. You all can enroll, right? If you are interested, you can enroll now. And at 70% of this batch is running. Yeah, fees is very little, 4,000 rupees. You can check in the website and compare in the outside also. Right, so I see somewhere. Yeah, so Gautam Saini, I have given the link to you. You can check. Okay, this is the batch 12 link. Okay, right, those who are asking, you can just type heydevops.com/batch12. Okay, right, so very important, batch is starting from third or fourth week. You will get details shortly. Okay, I want to know the timing of the classes. Morning time. So if you are able to see, these are 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. IST, morning batch, and doubt session on Wednesday, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. IST. Almost all the resources will be downloadable, class recordings will be available, and this time we have integrated AI also in your projects for you to make you understand how the things are working. When you are booking your seat, please check you are having an early bird coupon. As the days are passing, this coupon code will be changed. So please make sure you are either opting with this coupon as soon as possible. Okay. Now, if you see here, you are allowed to opt for batch 11 recorded videos also if you need, or one-to-one mentorship also if you need, or else you can go with the batch 12. Okay. Right. So very important, we will discuss about the batch 12. Okay. So all of you see here, when we are talking about the projects, these are the very important projects which have been lined up in the website. So please see here. I will tell one by one. Okay. Right. So all of you see here some projects which we are going to discuss, right? Yeah, first let me complete the projects because most of you, right, are looking out for projects. So when the batch start, it will be starting in 21st of June or 28th of June. Okay, thank you, KD. Thanks a lot. Batch dates, yes, 20. I will tell you again, date probably 21st of June or 28th of June. Okay, and some prerequisites are added in the website which you have to cover. Okay, that I will tell you once you enroll. I'll be telling you like what are the prerequisites. Okay, this comment has not went, but that's fine. Okay, now all of you are able to see my screen. Yes. So what are these projects? How you are going to do is probably first we are going to start with dev. You are going to understand various kinds of Git, GitHub, branching, right? And a variety of aspects of your CI pipelines. Now, you will also understand security aspects. You are also going to understand the build aspects. So basically, you are going to create a pipeline for your own code. This code will convert into a jar, and this jar is going to convert into an image via the pipeline. And as you go ahead in the projects, you are going to see that at each stage, this image is going to get container, and the next stage into a Kubernetes pod. And here you are going to see various kinds of tools coming in. For example, Maven, Sonarqube, checkmarks, right? Here you will see Docker. Here you will see Kubernetes, right? And next you will see Prometheus. You will see Grafana. You are going to see Splunk. And next you are going is done. You are going to see troubleshooting, right? So when we are talking about a story, you see this is the first project, but as and when you are crossing the things, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? If you are able to see here, Jenkins pipeline with monitoring. Now here also some things are added for you, right? How the monitoring is happening. Docker advanced project, Kubernetes deployment on Elastic Kubernetes, which you are going to see. Let's say Kubernetes is there, which we are hosting in cloud. Okay, this I am hosting in cloud, and that my service is EKS. And if you are able to see, this is pod 1, this is pod 2, this is pod 3, and how this each pods are talking with each other, right? You will see as JSON data transfer. You are going to hit each pod endpoint, okay, and you are going to get the data in the JSON format. Let's say pod 1 is communicating with pod 2, pod 2 is communicating with pod 3, pod 3 with pod 1. So this is kind of a 3-tier architecture with Kubernetes you are going to see in cloud. Okay, now can you tell me if you are clear till here? Like what are the projects? Yes. If you are clear till the ideation of the thing, yes, peering connection you can understand. Correct, that's thing. If you are clear, can you give me a yes? Yes. And those who are enrolling, you can enroll, right? Yes, Shantanu. Explore with Raj, clear. Nath, Pankaj Kulkarni, Krishna Sai, Deepika Sharma. Okay, great. Now, if you right, we are discussing about the Kubernetes. Once the Kubernetes is done, very important, how do you monitor the Kubernetes, which is very, very much important. You are going to see Istio plus Kiali plus Jaeger, tracing of Kubernetes network. Are you clear? This will be your one of the project 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth project. If you are able to see, this project will be helping you in understanding the complete network flow in a Kubernetes, how the ingress works, how the Istio works, how the Kiali, how the Jaeger, how the tracing of the entire Kubernetes works, starting from hitting the website for the pod to respond. Does it sounds interesting to you? When you are able to see so many tools together, your learning aspects also grow. Does it sounds interesting? Yes? No? What do you think? Yes? How many of you say like these are interesting points? Yes. Istio, Kiali, Jaeger I have not done, but I am going to do now. Yes? Definitely it will be very much interesting to everyone, and you can keep these things in your resume also. Okay, very beautifully crafted. And I think like, yeah, these all things will definitely help you for sure. You all are telling that it's great. Full DevOps is interesting, but yeah, hi bro. No, it's not like that. Okay, for fresher, if you see, the basics are always covered. Okay, so I told you right here also, I told you phase 1 is completely for fresher, but you have to keep efforts. Okay, definitely without efforts, if you think that everything will be easy, no, you cannot get a job. If you think that you will do 1 + 1 = 2, you cannot get a job. You have to come out of your comfort zone, do some things which experienced people are doing, right? I'm very much straightforward. If a fresher thinks that without keeping efforts I will get a job, gone those days. Okay, gone are those days when people are thinking that okay, he's a fresher, let me show some sympathy and give him a job. No, you guys agree with that? Freshers are very, very less given the opportunity right now. Okay, until and unless you are proven strong. Okay, you are proven that okay, this guy is doing good. And until and unless you are given that, people are not considering. Okay, now how many of you have not enrolled and watching me? Can you give me your like not enrolled? If you think that you have not enrolled, you can say NE. If you have not enrolled, you can say NE, right? Naveen has not enrolled, but he's watching me live. What about others? People on LinkedIn, 19 people are watching me, close to, right? And okay, 20 people. Yes. AI will be both ChatGPT and Gemini AI. Okay. So this is your batch 12 link. Okay. How many of you have not enrolled and watching me? Okay. Not enrolled, not enrolled, not enrolled. So many people. Not. I thought you are enrolled, brother. Why means you are answering everything. Correct. And I thought you have already enrolled. So that is the reason like you are showing so much interest in listening from me. That's what I was expecting, brother. Right? Okay, not enrolled. Okay, great. So guys, let me tell you, you all saw till this things. Okay. Yes, I will take your queries also, right? All of you have not enrolled, right? Yes, KD, you have enrolled now. So what I'm going to do is, all of you see here, Those who are interested to enroll, as you are aware that we have launched this on last Wednesday. If you see, last Wednesday is 4th, 5th, and 6th. Okay. And today you will see a price increase. Okay. So what I'm going to do, those who are interested in enrolling, you can enroll right away. I'm going to give you this link. And meanwhile, I'll be explaining you the projects also. So please go ahead and you can enroll yourself with 70% off. You can calculate also from your calculator. And once this cost is increased, then you should not ask again me any coupon or anything. Okay. So if you say book now, it will be directly taking to your this page. And if this is not there, some other coupon is there, then some other price will be coming. Okay. So I will be waiting for 5 minutes. If you are enrolling, I will be definitely happy because all your queries I am going to take. Right now we will have some Q&A. Anyways, I will show you some projects walkthrough again, but now we will have Q&A. To take Q&A, you should be able to aware that what is the batch login, how to enroll to batch 12 and all. So people on LinkedIn, I'm giving you the direct link. You can enroll now and let me know once it is done. Right, I'm waiting. Meanwhile, any questions you have, you can ask me. Any questions, you can throw the questions at me. And once you are done, you can give your name also. Right. Okay. Right. Any questions you have? Anyone who feels that, Praveen, I have some questions to ask to you? Okay. Vaibhav is asking, I have enrolled, I have 2 years of experience and want to switch from other tech to DevOps. Definitely, Vaibhav. Vaibhav, if you have seen till now the structure, the format, it will definitely help you. And for your information, you can check the placement stories in website also. It will be definitely impactful. Okay. Right. So any questions you have? Anyone has any questions, any doubts? Yes, network engineer can also change into DevOps, definitely, because in DevOps, networking plays an important aspect. Great. I have enrolled. My name is 𝐂𝐚𝐫𝐿. What tools needed for SRE? Splunk, Prometheus, Grafana, PagerDuty, Xmatters, right? And Python coding, right? How many days? 3 days a week. Balaji, 3 days a week. Okay. 3 days a week. And all of you, once you are enrolling, you can let me know. I will then tell you like what are the things. And all of you see here, there is a DevOps lab also with us where you can do direct coding here in your own coding language. I'll be teaching you everything that is needed for you, right? And if you see like how the things are working, you can see here. And also some companies questions will also be there. Those who are enrolling, please see this one also. Company wise interview questions are already attached in the website. You will find every company: Adobe, Airbnb, Alibaba, Apple, Atlassian, App Dynamics, Amazon, right? Any company you take, there will be questions attached. Course duration is almost like 2 to 3 months. Okay. It's both. It's both. It's SRE and DevOps both. Weekday class, I don't have, basically weekend only. Okay, Rajkumar, we will start because some prerequisites are also there in the website. So we give time to complete that. Okay, so please see that. Okay, bro, is this class will be in Telugu? Okay, no, brother, it's English. Okay, it's purely English. Sorry, I joined late and part of batch 12. Can you please repeat class schedule? Class start date will be 28th of June, right? And some prerequisites are already attached in the website. So request everyone to complete that. Initially, you have to complete that. Okay. Right. Hi, Praveen. I have 10 years of Linux system admin looking to switch to DevOps cloud role. Hope this can help me achieve. Nitesh, I am also 8+ years of experience. So I know like how the things are working. You trust me. Okay. You trust me. And I believe that you would have already enrolled. Okay. Right. So I am thinking that no problem, Seetal. Some prerequisites are there in the website. So please check that. Okay. Right. Divya Teja. Okay. Any questions, guys? Quickly. let's talk some Q&A now, okay, quickly, and then we'll be going to the next set of things, okay. Q&A, right? I have enrolled. Nath, for sure, I was thinking you have already enrolled because you were proactively giving me answers, okay, brother. So I was thinking कि यार ये तो enroll कर लिया है, इसीलिए ये इतना interested है, बात कर रहा है मेरे से, ठीक है. But you told, तो मेरे को doubt लगा, ठीक है. I need your help to deploy blockchain based via DevOps. Can I get help for that? See, if you understand blockchain, okay, prerequisite site, I will tell you. Once people are enrolling, I will give a walkthrough to everyone how the prerequisites are there. Okay. Once the people are enrolling, Are Ankit, without Python, how can you learn? Bhai, Python. Maybe I will show you. Where is Python coding here? Some notes of Python. There will be some. See, there will be many testimonials, right? Python coding, how the people are getting help, how the people have got into Walmart or any other company. You can see the placement stories also. Okay, anything like DigiCert, Amazon, or some companies are there. JP Morgan Chase, Nielsen, Presidio, or domain change people have done. Job guidance, how we are giving. Amazon. See, mostly people, whatever the companies I crack, I think people are able to get that very easily, right? Now, once all of you have enrolled, then what I will do is I will quickly start some prerequisites for you. Great. I have 12 years of experience and stuck in the same project from last 7 years, which is on DevOps, but not much work. But interview is different. Yes. Surbi, you take my assumption or the guarantee that if you have 12 years of experience and you are stuck with 7 years in the same project, you have to do my phase 4 interview questions here. For you, this phase of interview questions will play an important role. Okay. Probably you have missed some things in the class, but this is where all your coding questions, real-time scenarios, or troubleshooting, everything is going to line up here. So very important aspect for you to cover here, right? I'm giving 5 marks for that. Okay. I joined DevOps Batch 12. Yeah, start date 2021 or 28. You will get WhatsApp messages as well as emails also. AI will be Google Gemini. AI will be GPT and Google Gemini, both. Okay, I'm writing it here. Okay, both the things will be there. Okay, how many of you are enrolling now? Can you give me a yes so that I can wait? And for everyone, I can at once go ahead and tell you the prerequisites. Talk to website. Anyone still enrolling? Can you give me a yes in the chat? People on LinkedIn, I'm just waiting for a few more, right? To tell me a yes. So yeah. People on LinkedIn. Any help with resume prep? Jules, 100%. You should be having everything in Batch 12. So I have already told you for resume prep, those who are watching me, right? If you are watching me, 14 projects, interview questions, guides, resume prep, and mock interview. So it's like a complete package for anyone who is enrolling. Okay. So I don't know why Rohan Shinde came to my LinkedIn. Probably I would have typed by. Now, anyone who is enrolling, yes, Nivruti is enrolling. Can 2025 pass outs? I paid but card fail. I call my bank. They said I should ask if I have charged the card. Okay, Balaji, you can make the second payment. And if you face issue again, okay, you can, if double payment has happened, no worries. Our team will check, but do it with same number, heydevopshelp@gmail.com, right? Balaji Stephen, right? If double payment has been deducted, you can attach both the screenshots and we will do a refund. Okay. If not, automatically the bank will revert to you and you can do the payment now. Okay. I will guide. So in the how I am going to do is I'm going to share my interview questions, my resumes, my everything, whatever the data is there. Yes, a fresher can join, Dikshit. Yes, definitely a fresher can join. Vishal. Okay. Bro, course duration, can a fresh can join? Yes, fresher can definitely join. Definitely. Now, Vishal is asking, don't have much knowledge on DevOps and cloud, but want to switch to DevOps. I have 3.5 years of experience. What is the chance of getting? Okay. For all of you, yes, don't have any IT experience, I'm going to tell you. All of you, those who are non-IT, please see here how the process is designed for you. Let's say you are non-IT, or let's say you are domain change. Okay. So in every resume, right, you are going to divide this resume into 2 projects. Okay. Now, for example, the 2 projects should be belonging to the DevOps and SRE. For example, you have total of 4 years of experience. You divide the non-IT into 3 and DevOps as 4. 3. DevOps as 3 and non-IT into 1. And you keep the DevOps as 2 projects and your non-IT as 1 project. So I'll be telling you, once you join batch 12, I'll be guiding you like how to divide this entire thing and create your resume based on this. Okay, that's what I will be guiding you, Kiar, how to make things accordingly so that you understand how to prepare a resume also. So let's think like this. This is your resume. Okay. How many projects to keep, I will tell you, and how to divide your resume also, I'm going to tell you. So it will be very easy. Stephen, definitely. Classes will be over weekend, and what will be the duration? Duration will be 2+ months. Weekend, 3 hours close to session. Okay. Yes. Right. So how many of you are still enrolling? Can you please let me know? Yes, definitely. So next step is we will be watching the prerequisites now, right? Great. So Stephen, as promised, 2 times has been deducted. You can definitely email to team. Okay. We will revert 1. Okay. No issues. Hi, Praveen. My H1B got picked. Oh, congratulations. Last year and it got approved. I am having 4+ years on Power BI, want to change to domain, right? So where are you now? Like, are you in India, right? Or are you in USA? Like, where are you? Great. Surbhi Vyas, thank you. See you. I will remember each one's name, right? And probably we will discuss much more things. Okay. How will you guide placement support? Yes, as I have told you. Okay. One good question. This is very, very important question, right? SRE, which topics we cover? SRE, most of the topics we will cover, where you will see monitoring, coding, deployments, right? So all these things are part of your SRE only. Okay. You are in India, right? Definitely you can switch to, you can learn some things from my end. And while you are going to the H1B, at some point of time, you can switch also. Okay. Brother, I have already marked your question here. I'm talking about your question only. Okay. How will you guide the placement? Very important. So please see here, this is my LinkedIn ID. This is my job section. And if you see my jobs, okay, how many jobs I have applied? Almost like 1200+ jobs. And if you see, these are my applied jobs. All of you see here, guys. So every time I do something new, I look out for job and I keep on applying to various kinds of positions. Okay. I mainly apply for architect roles or technical lead roles to understand how the market is, how the structure is. If you see, all are like lead positions. So once I know what market is expecting, I will be able to make you understand very easily. Okay. Market is expecting now coding. Okay. So that's why if you see, complete coding is set for batch 12. Right. Yes, Nagasai, I will be starting from June 3rd or 4th week. Okay. Right. I have enrolled, excited for classes, as till now I have just seen you on LinkedIn. Now is opportunity to learn. Okay, Seetal, I'm also very much excited to meet you all on the day one, right? And for all of your information, if you are enrolled for batch 12, rest assured you will be given an opportunity for the meetup also. So if you see here, this is the kind of, okay, every batch I conduct the meetup. Okay, so if you see, whenever there is a batch, right, I will be having a meetup also for you guys. The next meetup is planned in August for all the batch 12 enrolled people. So you can definitely be part of these kind of meetups. And if you see, right, almost like all the different people will come to these batches to learn from us, to understand from us how the things are there, how the market is there, what is the aspect of teaching, right? What is the aspect of learning? So these all are my students only. Okay. And some are from batch prime students, and all rest all are like freshers and different kinds of people. So if you are from batch 12, you are also going to get such opportunity to meet us one to one in person and have fun. Okay. So it's, this meetup is completely free, right? Every time I make sure like you guys get the opportunity. We take Microsoft as an office. This time we are planning different, so we will see like how the things are working. I cannot promise you the space where we will organize, but definitely I'm going to tell you like how the things are going to be in the coming days. Okay, so that is there for batch 12. Yes, fresher jobs are less, right? As people are expecting more from fresher. Okay, so definitely it's less. Coding I will teach you, definitely I'm going to teach you. Okay, I have zero knowledge in coding, can I join? Yes. So those who have zero knowledge, I will be telling everything on my personal basis, personal coding questions, personal things, so that you can understand how the things are there. Yes, one-to-one classes for slow learner. No, nothing like that one-to-one, right? Nothing like one-to-one. But what you can have is, you have a special meeting. Basically, if you have seen in the website, right? If you have come to the course section, and here, if you are booking your seat, if you have seen, there is something like one-to-one mentorship. So this is applicable for the people, those who are interested actually. Let's say you are interested for one-to-one, you are interested for previous batch recorded videos, you are looking out for a job, you want to learn a little bit more, you can go ahead with that. Okay, right. Yes, you can have Joule one-to-one session, definitely, but as a batch, it's a part of cohort. Okay, so it's a combination of two things. If you want this, you can opt, or if you want this, you can opt. So accordingly, the prices get changed. Okay. Programming language, we are targeting Python here, if you have seen, right? So let me tell you. Yes, so let me show you here. Red Hat, DevOps, yes. So all of you see here, some Python things are there which will be doing in the cloud, and some Python things are there which we will be doing on the code level. Okay, so two things are there on Python, and I'll be giving you the scenarios. I forgot to purchase one-to-one mentorship, so how can I get that? I enroll Batch12. Naveen, it's a one-time only. Okay, uh, when you are taking the batch 12, it's one time that you opt for the one-to-one also. As of now, you cannot get it. Okay, because that are like limited people only. Okay, some questions. Hi Praveen, I have, okay. Is batch 10, 11 course content? No. KD, every batch the course content changes. You can check in the website. Okay. Right. So all of you, how many of you are still enrolling right now? Can you give me a yes? People on LinkedIn or people on YouTube, what do you think? How many of you are still enrolling? Anyone? Anyone is still thinking? Okay, how many of you have not enrolled? Let's say this, NE. How many of you have not enrolled? And then I will take your queries, or else next 5 minutes, I will wind up the session. Okay. Yes, freshers, it's difficult, but you can try. Prerequisites, no prerequisites. I will tell you what are the steps to watch now. Okay. Okay, NE, how many of you have not enrolled and watching me? Okay, Sekhar has not enrolled. Anyone else? Only Sekhar? I don't believe that. People on LinkedIn, how many of you are watching me silently? Like, people on LinkedIn will be very much silent. They will be just watching. They will be silently watching. They will not reply also. Okay, 20 people are watching. Tech stacks, everything is given in the website. NE, Nivruti, you are still not enrolled. I guessed you had enrolled already in the batch 12. Hello, sir. I am a networking engineer. I need to switch to DevOps, 3 years of experience. Okay, Shankarachari. Yes, definitely. DevOps needs networking people. As I have always told you, right? And I'll tell again. DevOps and networking goes hand in hand always. If you are a DevOps, if you are a networking engineer, you can convert into DevOps. If you are like any other engineer also, you can definitely convert into DevOps. But the major wall between the DevOps and SRE, right, is your coding knowledge, real-time troubleshooting knowledge, and the other one is architecture or system design knowledge. So these three plays an important role. Okay, these three will always play an important role, right? Yes, I have shared the link, Shankarachari. So definitely it will help you in understanding things. Right. Okay, now we will do the one last check. All of you, those who have enrolled, only to the people, those who have enrolled. Yes, Saturday, Sunday finalized. No changes in that. That is for sure. Okay, Seetal? Okay, all of you, those who have enrolled, let's do a hands-on now. All of you log in into the website quickly. Okay, quickly, all of you. Batch 12, log in into the website. Those who have enrolled, let's do this quickly. I will show you what you have to do. Okay. Yes, Dheeraj, definitely. And when you are staying outside, you should be a little bit cautious and taking steps. So definitely you can upskill. Morning. Seetal, it's morning. Okay. Right. All of you have logged in into the website, guys. This is the link of login. All of you have logged in? Yes. Can I go to the next step? Step 1, all of you should log in into the website. Done? Yes. Bhai log, behan log, please respond. Yes. Telugu batch is not there, brother, as of now. Okay. It's very difficult to manage. Link to website, same link, the link which I'm sharing to you, Balaji, this one. The same link, okay? Yes. Okay, all of you have done. Now, once you have logged in into the website, are you guys seeing something like this purchase tab. Are you guys seeing here purchase tab? Everyone, guys, quickly, please. Once you have logged in, are you guys seeing purchase tab? Vishal, yes, you can also do it with me, right? I have shared you the link. This is the batch 12 link. Once you log in, you should be able to see a purchase tab here. Done, all of you? Yes. I am expecting all of you are till the step number 2, where you are at purchase tab. Okay, please take time. 1 minute I'm giving you. Okay, done. Great. Now, once you have logged in into your purchase tab, you will be able to see something like course. Purchase tab, course. Yes, all of you, please click on the course tab now. Yes, Ganesh, please click on the course tab. Yes, all of you, once you have clicked on the course tab, from here, you will be migrated to batch 12 poster or batch 12 module. All of you are at batch 12 module. Yes. I'm giving this link to Shankarachari and all the people, those who are watching. And again, very important, purchase tab and then course tab and then batch 12. And are you seeing something like unlock day 1, day 2, day 3? And similarly, there are some documents available for you. Are you guys seeing everyone? Yes, you all are seeing, right? Now, you will see different things here. Under the unlock day, there will be a resume also with them. Okay, sample resume templates will be available. Are you seeing that one resume will be there? Are you all seeing there? A resume, sample resume or resume will be there. Resume. Yes, able to see? Yes. What about others? Okay, good. Now what you have to do, if for resume, if you are searching for job, then download that resume and create your own. I mean, download that resume and that is a document resume. Okay, you can take some points from that resume and keep it in your resume. If you are not searching for job, wait for the batch 12 classes. Clear? There are two aspects. If you are looking for a job, download that resume, whatever you need, you keep it. If you are not looking for job, wait for batch 12 classes. I will tell you, even I'm going to give my personal resumes to you, so you can wait for the batch 12 classes. Now, all of you see here, these all are like unlock day 1, day 2, day 3. What you have to do, along with that, you will also see a cheat sheet folder. What you have to do is basically download the documents day wise and only watch the architecture diagrams. Okay, very important. You have to take a 500 pages notebook, divide that 500 pages notebook into multiple 40 pages or 50 pages bookmark. Guys, are you all listening with me? Amol, bhai log, are you guys listening with me like what I'm telling or what I'm talking? Or is it going from your head? Understanding, right? See, you are having cheat sheets, you are having resumes, you are having day-wise documents. So how to prepare, I am telling you the steps, okay? So this 500 pages notebook which you are preparing, in our batch 12, you will touch around 300 plus pages with daily, I mean, whatever the classes I am telling, whatever the things you will do. And on your learning part, 40 pages or 50 pages, you can bookmark. Let's say this is 500 pages notebook. I'm going to divide this 500 pages notebook into 40 pages or 50 pages and bookmark here and bookmark here. So like that, I'm going to bookmark. And what you do is you keep this 40 pages for Jenkins, you keep this 50 pages for Docker, right? And you keep 30 pages for Kubernetes according to your requirement. You keep it. And you start preparing notes from this unlock day 1, day 2, day 3, whatever you are understanding, whatever is your understanding. Let's say that you are understanding little bit, that little bit understanding only I need to be present in your book. Is it make sense to everyone? Yes. Okay, Naveen, Nath, Shantanu. So many Shantanus are there today. Okay, great. Great. Okay, now one interesting thing we will do. I want 4 volunteers from you. Okay, 4 volunteers. Okay, or let's say, okay, let's say like maybe 6 volunteers from you. Those who join with me and you discuss among yourselves your problems. Clear? This drill will be for 10 minutes where you discuss your problems among you, like all the 10 people. I don't know who are you. I'm not sure what's your name will be. Okay, I'm just telling 10 people. Okay, I'm just telling 6 people I need who will be joining with me in the stream. And you guys discuss who you are, from what background you are coming, what are your problems, challenges, and how you are going to tackle with batch 12, whatever you want to discuss. Or jobs are not there, jobs are less, some kind of a discussion you make it. Now, who are the 10 people, you guys decide, and you guys join this stream. I'm going to share this link. Okay, once the required people are done, we will close this stream, right? So I'm sharing this stream link at both the places, and those who are willing to enroll, you can also enroll for batch 12, right? Okay, right. So stream link I have given. If you want to be the part of that, I will not talk, you guys will talk. Okay, I will be silent listener. How you are discussing and all I will see. All will be given the access to talk. Okay, go ahead. And meanwhile, this is the StreamYard link. If you want to talk, you can talk, like a networking kind of thing. Okay, I've shared the StreamYard link here also. Yes. Anyone? No one? You don't need to come on video. That's completely fine. You don't want to be in video. You have to just talk. What's your thought? Okay, I'll wait for 1 minute. If you guys are thinking it's late, we will not do that. Maybe we will do sometime else. Third week, we will update in the website. Third week or fourth week, Nikhil, okay? But prerequisites are there, which you have to complete. My shift just started. I know, like, it's late, right, for you guys. No one wants to do that drill? Okay, that's fine. I can take it. I think few of you are in office, few of you are maybe outside and watching me. That's completely fine. Maybe next time we can plan it. Okay. Right. I hope you all have enjoyed today's session. Right. Okay. Vaibhav has joined. Vaibhav, but you alone have joined. Okay. So I don't want to give you access because I was thinking more people will join because some people were telling yes, 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 right? So as of now, you can stay, right? No, batch 11 is Keneru. Batch 11 is a recorded class. Okay. Batch 12 is the live sessions which we are doing. Okay. Right. So this is the main URL. Don't go with any other URL. Yes. Resume preparation, I'm going to help. Jules. Seetal, you are joining, but I'm sorry that people are not joined. So yeah, so that's the reason. Syllabus already there in the batch 12 link. You can see. I have also already told you, Rohan. So we have two things, ChatGPT and AI, Gemini. Okay, both we will be using. Right. So very beautifully, let me conclude this live session today. So this is the batch 12 where you are going to learn SRE, DevOps, and AI. And we have started the new batch recently. This early bird coupon is valid for today till the timer exists. If you are interested, you can enroll for flat 70% off. Once this timer changes, you will automatically see a new coupon code getting applied after this live. If you want one-to-one mentorship, you can opt it. If you want recorded videos of previous batch, you can opt it. Okay. And when you are enrolling, make sure you give your full name, email ID, number, everything in a proper way. Clear? Right. So yes. So we will do in the next StreamYard. And those who are watching me, how many of you are still interested to enroll? Or you have any questions? Just 2 more minutes. No, support role is different. Okay. Support role is different, brother. Rishabh. Okay. Okay, Nivruti. So what you have to do is, as usual, do your registration and follow the prerequisites. And maybe once we will do some drills, you can be the part of that. Okay, right. It was really nice talking to you all, and very glad that you guys took time to watch me live during this night time. Please take care. We will see you soon. Okay. Until then, we will meet again to you. Prerequisites, I have also told you, right? There will be some documents. Once you enroll, you will get that. Okay. So those who are interested, you are welcome to enroll for batch 11 at a very, very less cost. And you can tell your friends also that Praveen is starting batch 12. And you can bring your friends also for combined studies. Thanks a lot for joining with me. And thanks a lot to everyone, those who are with me. Yes, you can do it, Rishabh. Definitely. Thank you. Thank you, Ganesh. Thank you, everyone. Yes. Nice connecting with you, Divya. Yeah. So many names I came to know today, right? Sure. Maybe Krishna, we will see that. No issues. Yeah. So with a thank you note, I'm going to take a leave. It was amazing. I think 1 hour session, 1 hour plus. So definitely it's going to bang. Okay. So interested people can enroll with batch 12 and can bring your friends also in batch 12, and you can have your combined studies or group studies, whatever you are looking for. Okay. Right. Thank you. Thank you. Please take care, and see you in the next live. Bye. Right. Thank you. Yeah.